All right, THRILLMAXX. This is Rocky Coaster on Lokolo, the wacky worm. What is it?
Lokolo.
Oh, Lokolo, the wacky worm here at Lost Island Amusement Park.
All clear.
All right, we are all clear and out of here. This is easily probably the most intense ride here at the park. You have to be at least 36 inches tall to ride, so get ready for some intensity. Go. All right. Oh, the laterals on that turn. Oh, here we go. Airtime. Airtime. Woo! Ooh. Real good laterals on that. All right, here comes the big drop. Whoa! All right. Because we're THRILLMAXX, we get a special another cycle on the wacky worm. Here we go. All right, airtime! Woo! Whoa! I'm telling ya, that is some crazy airtime there. Oh man, you are out of your seat that whole drop. And one more cycle, just because, you know, they like us so much. All right, ejector airtime. Here we go. Whoa! Whoa! That is wacky. All right. All right. Yeah. All right, THRILLMAXX. This is Rocky Coaster. All right, this is Rocky Coaster here at Lost Island Amusement Park. Thanks for riding, and remember, take your thrills to the max.